Hello everyone, Ken the Bearded Accountant here, and today is the very exciting Tax Talk Tuesday. The American Rescue Plan Act of 2021 was recently signed into law, and what that means is a third round of stimulus checks. Today I'm briefly going to talk about how those payments are calculated as far as what you receive, and more importantly, how the timing of filing your 2020 tax returns can affect how much or even whether you get anything at all. So with that, I'm going to get into my quick intro and get right into the meat of it. Okay, I'm back, and first of all, let me talk about how much we're going to get. Basically, it's $1,400 per taxpayer. So for single taxpayers, $1,400. If you file married filing joint, $2,800, and an additional $1,400 for each dependent. So for example, a married family with one child as a dependent, 3 times $1,400, $4,200. Now, those are the basic amounts. Now, why would you not receive a stimulus at all or receive a reduced amount? That occurs when they calculate based on your adjusted gross income whether or not you're eligible for this advance payment or the credit on your return. Now, the way it works for a single taxpayer, if you make over $75,000, it begins to phase out that credit or that advance payment. Between $75,000 and $80,000, it phases out. At $80,000, you're getting nothing. For a head of household, that's $112,750 and $120,000 is the phase-out periods. If married filing joint, the phase-out range is between $150,000 and $160,000. Now, the whole point of this video is that for the purpose of these economic impact payments, or more usually called stimulus payments, the AGI for the purpose of these payments and the eventual credit is your 2020 adjusted gross income. But if you haven't filed 2020 yet, 2019 adjusted gross income is used to come up with the amount of your stimulus payment. So let's say that for 2020, your income is past the limit. You're a married couple, you made $200,000. But for 2019, you didn't have such a great year, and you only made $140,000, which is below those limits. For those people, if you want that stimulus check, you shouldn't be filing your 2020 return yet. You should let the IRS calculate the amount of your stimulus payment based on the 2019 return and wait until you get the stimulus payment to file the 2020 return that has more income that says that you're not allowed to get the payment. So to break it down, these stimulus payments are an advance payment for a credit to be claimed on your 2021 tax return based on your 2020 income. But if you haven't filed 2020, they're going to give you that advance payment based on 2019. Now, the wonderful thing about this is, let's say when it comes 2021 and it's obvious that you should not have received the credit based on your 2020 income, you get to keep it. So if you've got low income for 19 and income above those limits for 2020, if you want that stimulus payment, do not file the return until you get the stimulus payment. And that's about it. I think I kept this one very short. Now, if you thought this video was helpful at all, please hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. If you think I did a good job, hit that like button. And if you actually want me to show up in your feed and see more of these, hit that notification bell. So with that, I'm done for today, and I'll see you next time. Thank you.